Videos are completely out of order, but that's okay. Progress is all everyone needs. We are using the spring compressor tool, tighten up the spring so it doesn't shoot out at us, so we can take off the old Camber kit off the Bilstein coilovers that the original owner gave me. Put it on the KWs and hope that adjusts my front caster, which is my issue right now because my tires are so fluffy, wide, big. So see how close it is to the front fender is getting really close with the thicker tire and offset. So we're gonna have to push it back, hopefully with the Camber caster kit. And if that doesn't work, ultimately I have to change the rear front control arm bushing to a less solid mount, to a more OEM lollipop style, they call it. I'm learning these things as we go, which would push the wheel back, which would then give me more clearance. So trying for the Camber kit to work. If that doesn't work, I gotta go to plan B. Those are the KMAC. I had to do research to find out what kind of Camber kits. I mean, they say it right on it, but hard to see when they were installed on the Bilstein. But I looked it up. These are KMAC. They're pretty expensive, like $400 or $500. So might as well try this, see if it works. Hopefully everything's all in the clear. Then I can actually use it and the fitment might work out. That'd be sick. Alright guys, so first thing we did was I had a Dynon strut bar, so if you have nothing there, you'll be faster. Well, actually it's the same thing. It's the same 3 bolts on both sides. Remove them. And then basically the top perch is free. And then the bottom, we took off the sway bar end link. And then we should be pretty close to taking the coilover straight down, installing the Camber kit, and seeing what we can do adjustment wise. Nice. First coilover's out. Let's go, KW. Alright, let's test fit, look like pros, and then we'll come back and show you how it's done. Lick you like a lollipop, lollipop. Oh. Hey guys, so today at Auto Addict Garage, what's going on is we're about to pop this lollipop right off this control arm, and we're gonna install it to get our caster back, so that way we can fit these fat wheels and tires on this E36.
James, why are you on your knees?
This is not time for jokes. This is not time for jokes. I'm trying to do work. Now I gotta edit the swear word out. Alright guys, just to keep you guys posted, we got the Camber kit installed. Everything was fine, but with the caster adjustment, the wheel was still too far forward where it was like beautiful, perfect fitment, but if I turned or hit a bump, I would definitely hit my bumper or scrape it. Could lead to more damage, but it was very close, very flush. Super cool, but not normal driving safe. So we ended up popping in the normal lollipop back in to the control arm, and now we got the caster back where we need it, and hopefully this is the last of our front woes. Get the front wheel on. The back wheel I already know works, so won't be much of a struggle there, but the front, it's gonna look kind of sick, but hopefully it just works. All right, stay along. And these are the aftermarket Camber kits, but one of them are seized down pretty tight, so now we're working our way trying to break that apart. So one side is done, but the other side is seized up. See how things just stack with problems, but we're trying our hardest. Look at this. Test, fit, the wheel. Ooh. Ooh. I see a lot more space. Very happy right now. Very, very, very happy right now. Oh my God. Guys, this is gonna be sick. This E36 is going to fucking town right now.
There you go.
And my boy released it. Mike, hero. Hero.
Still flat.
I'm telling you, 3 guys together, we can knock it all out. I'm telling you. Ooh. And then we switched that freaking bushing from the solid mount to the lollipop like we've been doing. Get that caster back, get the fitment on point, get the negative camber like no one's business, like we don't care about tires. Whew, make it look right. Alright guys, so we are on this E36. I'm running the Turner Motorsport rear adjustable camber kit, so it makes adjusting camber a lot easier. So right now I'm just doing something to make the wheels work, but it won't be the perfect final alignment because I'll let a shop do that. But right now I'm running a negative probably 3 to 3.5 degree camber front and rear to make it work. So this is the last adjustment to the rear. I already did a little quick test drive. Everything was smooth, so it was awesome. So now we're just adjusting. We just had to loosen those 2 little bolts right here, and then we adjust the length, and that gives us the camber we need. $68.5. So we're trying to get it at 69 because that's what Turner Motorsports had on their website in terms of getting negative 3.5 camera in the rear. So the rear is gonna be perfect. 68.5. 69.1. So we just gotta drop it back a little bit. We're good. Look at this fitment. It's amazing. Chris, Mike, help me achieve this look. It finally fits. It's all on. It's amazing. Oh my God, just soak that in. Oh my goodness. She's looking so right. Look at this. Look at this. Woo! Ooh.